Hi, my name is Marisa Dalman, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to get the vital signs. So before starting, make sure that you gather all the supplies needed. So the materials needed are a stethoscope, a thermometer, pulse oximeter. Just assume that this one is pulse oximeter because I don't have, and a blood pressure cuff. So let's start. So I'm going to get the blood pressure, heart rate, respirations, temperature, pain rating, and oxygen saturation. Hi, my name is Marisa Dalman, and I'm gonna be taking your vital signs. Is that okay?
Okay.
Can you state your name, please?
Mars.
Okay. So I will start with the easiest thing, which is pain rating. Can you tell me your pain rating with 0 being no pain at all to 10 means the worst pain you've ever had? What's your rating?
2.
Where's your pain located at?
On my forehead.
I will massage you for 5 minutes. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. So after 5 minutes, after I massage your forehead,
I feel much better.
oh, I'm glad to hear that. So if you are going to rate it to from 1 to 10, what's your rating?
0.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
So that means that it's effective.
Yes.
Next, I'm gonna measure her oxygen saturation, and to do that, you have to use a portable pulse oximeter to get the oxygen saturation of your loved one. All you have to do is to turn on the device and place it on her finger. So a normal oxygen saturation is 95 to 100%. And then after, remove the device, sanitize it, and document your findings. Next is body temperature. So I'm gonna use the axillary, which is in armpit. So first on the thermometer, and then place it under your loved one's armpit and wait the thermometer to beat. So a normal body temperature is 97 to 99 degree Fahrenheit or 36.4 to 37.4 degrees Celsius. Okay. So her body temperature is 36.0 degrees Celsius. So it's normal. So after using the device, make sure to sanitize it and document your findings. Next, I'm gonna take the pulse rate, and to do that, of course, I have to find the right spot to get the pulse. As I feel the pulse, I have to count for 1 full minute and will be grading it on a 0 means pulse is absent, +1 means pulse is weak, 2 plus means pulse is normal, 3 plus means pulse is bounding. In adult, the common sign to use to check the pulse rate is the radial artery. So use your 3 fingers to feel the pulse. So a normal pulse rate is 60 to 100 BPM per minute. So I will set my timer for 1 minute. $78, $79.
80.
So her pulse rate is
80 beat per minute. 2 plus means pulse is normal.
After getting the pulse rate, document your finding. Next is respiratory rate. A normal adult breathing rate is 12 to 20 breath per minute. So I'm gonna count for 1 full minute. So I will start my timer for 1 minute.
To get an accurate rate, place your finger on the loved one's radial artery and observe the rise and fall of the loved one's chest. Because 1 rise and 1 fall of chest is equals to 1 full respiratory. You can also place your hand on your loved one's back and feel the rise and fall of the chest and count for 1 full minute.
So her respiratory rate is 18 breath per minute, which is normal because the normal adult breathing rate is 12 to 20 breath per minute. So after getting the respiratory rate, document your finding. And lastly, the blood pressure.
Make sure the loved one is sitting with her arm at heart level. So what we need is a stethoscope and a blood pressure cuff. Make sure you get the right size for your loved one. Place the blood pressure cuff on your loved one's arm about 2 inches above the bend of the arm. Find the systolic number, which is the top number or the first sound you hear, and the diastolic number, which is the bottom number or the last sound you hear. Place the bell over the brachial artery. Don't fully compress it. So I will gonna put it to 130 millimeters of mercury and let it fall about 2 millimeters in mercury per second. A normal blood pressure in systolic is less than 120 and in diastolic is less than 80. So a normal blood pressure is 120 over 80.
110. 70.
After getting the blood pressure, remove the device, sanitize it, and document your findings.
Okay, so her blood pressure is 110 over 70. So it's normal. So after using the device, make sure to sanitize it. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.